Hare Krishna, Krishna Siddhamo Bhakti. In this dark age of Kali, age of quarreling, misunderstanding, and envy, most of the people on this world are disturbed, discouraged, depressed, despite having everything what they want from their life, not knowing the permanent solution of their problem. The only solution is Srimad Bhagavatam. Why? Because there are topics related to Lord Shri Krishna. Krishna, the reservoir of all pleasure. There are so many questions and answers between Shukdev Goswami, the perfect speaker of Srimad Bhagavatam, and the Parishit Maharaj, the perfect hearer, which has immense potency to solve all the problem of anyone's life. This great ancient Vedic literature, Srimad Bhagavatam, gives us the clear-cut way to how to get success in our life. There is a beautiful verse in Srimad Bhagavatam, Sabe punsa paro dharma yatho bhaktir adukchaje. Whatever occupation you choose, but your prime duty is to satisfy the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Shri Krishna, through that occupation. If you are able to do that, then your life is success. Otherwise, it's all failure. The Srimad Bhagavatam is all about positive change of your thoughts, your mentality, your desire, your personality, your character, and even your life. In my personal life, I was a great failure and depressed man due to unknown deformative disease. And I lived a quarantine life for 15 consecutive years. Can you believe that? I had so many problems in my life, such as severe health issue, family problem, financial issues, insults, criticism, criticizing, cursing, plotting, and the most neglectful, I was neglected by the society where I used to live. But as soon as I started reading Srimad Bhagavatam under the banner of ISKCON Bhagavat Mahavidyalaya and I started doing the Bhakti Vedanta course, in a very short period of time, my life is completely transformed. And by the mercy of Srimad Bhagavatam, all the problems of my life are completely solved, and now I live a perfect, healthy, and happy life. So again, the same ISKCON Bhagavat Mahavidyalaya Govardhan is going to offer you a Srimad Bhagavatam study course, namely Bhagavata Pravesh, by the 10th of September of this year for all of you. In this course, you can learn how to study Srimad Bhagavatam. Not only study, but you can learn how to practically apply the principle and the teachings of Srimad Bhagavatam in your life in such a way that all the problems of life can be solved very easily and you can live a real, happy and healthy life. Bhuvi Gadhantiye Bhurida Jana. The Gopis says in their prayers that those who spread the glories of Srimad Bhagavatam, those who spread the glories of Lord Shri Krishna are the most munificent person in the whole world. The ISKCON Bhagavat Mahavidyalaya Govardhan is that munificent institution that is providing an international platform to spread the glories of Srimad Bhagavatam through its Bhakti Pravesha course and solve all the problems of your life and live a real and happy life like me. So what are you waiting for? Register now. Hare Krishna.